Hey all, do you know you can create your own brand using a short intro video for a YouTube channel? So hello friends, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can create a short intro video for your channel, which can help you to grow further as a brand. So without wasting much more time, let's begin. So the first step is you need to download an app named Blender. A link for this app is given in the description box, so just go and download it first. After downloading it, make sure you install the software. After installing the software, all you need to do is to download any of the template from Chrome, any 2D template. For suppose in my case, I have downloaded this template from Chrome. All you need to do is to open this template. All you need to do is to just right click on the name you want to change and make sure it just get highlighted. After that, you need to press the tab button and click on the backward key and name any, and you can name it anything which you like. For suppose in my case, I'll write my channel name over here, which is Tech Anuj, and just press the tab key again. After that, all you need to do is to just go to the output option, which is located over here, and save your template on desktop or any file directory you want to save, and click on this accept button. After that, to render this as a video, you need to press the Control as well as F12. So as you can see, the rendering has been started, and so as you can see, the render process has been complete. So now let's see the completed video. So as you can see, this is the video which we have made right now. Yes. So as you can see there. So if you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Moreover, please subscribe to my channel for more new videos like this. And in the next video, goodbye.